Need help at sea? Learn some German or French? Imagine you're stranded on an island. To alert passing ships or planes, you plan to write massive letters on the beach using stones. What would you write? Help? Rescue me? Or perhaps the classic SOS? If you went with SOS, congratulations. You've chosen the most recognizable distress signal in history. But do you know what the letters actually stand for? If you think you know the answer, you might be surprised in a few seconds. In April 1904, the German Imperial Navy introduced this distinctive Morse code sequence: ... .. While English dominates international communications, we're all silently using a German invention whenever we draw SOS in the sand. The signal became official internationally on 1st of July 1908, though it caught on rather slowly. Even the Titanic's first radio operator needed reminding about the new SOS signal in 1912. Excuse me, old chap, I know we're sinking and all, but perhaps try that German signal everybody else recognizes? Here's the truly amusing bit. SOS doesn't actually stand for anything in German or English. Those save our souls or save our ship meanings were made up later. The signal was chosen simply because its pattern was impossible to misinterpret even for the most sleep-deprived radio operator. The first ship to successfully use SOS was the passenger vessel Slavonia on 10th of June 1909 when it was wrecked near the Azores. After the Titanic disaster, 24-hour radio monitoring became mandatory, along with regular 3-minute radio silences on the emergency frequency specifically to listen for distress calls. As voice radio developed, Mayday, from French M'aider, meaning help me, was adopted in 1927 as the spoken equivalent of SOS. For less urgent situations, there's Pan Pan, from French pan, meaning breakdown, and for navigational safety warnings, sécurité. So there you have it. Despite all other communications typically being English, for over a century, sailors and pilots have been crying for help using German signals and French phrases. Though I suspect, if you're half drowned in the middle of the ocean, you're probably not too fussed about the etymology of your rescue words.